Hi everyone. Today I got some exciting stuff for you vintage guys out there, especially RC10 lovers. You can see here I got a flow pink chassis plate, and we got a metallic blue chassis plate, and some neon yellow parts as well for the RC10. And you can see the associated logo in there as well. These have been powder coated. We used to sell some tubs from another manufacturer from overseas. They quit making the tubs, and they came in different colors. We sold those for a long time, and we were looking for a way because we had several people asking if we could still get those, and I had several people ask about chassis plates being neon colors and if we could do something like that. So kind of put our heads together. These are associated tubs. They are the 6311s. And you can tell this one's been drilled out for the four-wheel drive kit as well. So what we're going to do is going to offer these as chassis sets with the pink chassis and the nose plate and the motor plate. So it'll all come as one set, just like the 6311 from Associated does. But what is different about it is four-wheel drive compatible. We took and had a jig made to put the chassis in the jig and drilled out the front of the chassis and countersunk the front holes so they can be used with more cars. It was just something that we felt like if we're going to do it, we might as well do it right. And then we sent these off to be professionally powder coated. So a nice part about this is the powder coating and the chassis modifications are done here in the United States. So when you're buying this, you're buying something that's made kind of like the old school Associated stuff. It's made here in the States. So hopefully that kind of makes sense, because the stuff that we were getting before, the colored plates and stuff, they were made over in China. So these are, obviously the tub is made in Taiwan. It's stamped over there, and they're Associated tubs, and we just modify them, and we have someone in the United States powder coat them, and the chassis put in a jig, like I said, and it's drilled out before we do that process. They'll also be available in a metallic purple and a metallic red, which were also popular colors from that we used to sell. The flow pink turned out awesome, and the flow yellow, as you can see here, turned out really nice. See the motor plate as well. So high quality stuff. Like I said, this is not done in someone's garage or something like that. This is something that's actually production run and produced. We're producing it using reproduced original Associated parts, I should say. So something new. Make sure you check out the website. We'll have these available for pre-order at some point here in the next week or so. So yeah, check it out. GoFastHobbies.com.